Hey there, homeowners. Ready to beat the heat by installing your very own through-the-wall AC unit? Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to install it like a pro. First up, gather your tools and materials. You'll need basics like a tape measure, level, power drill, and caulking gun. For materials, get a wall sleeve, weather-resistant caulk, framing lumber, and some exterior-grade screws. Step 1. Choosing the right location. Pick an exterior wall with plenty of space inside and out. Use a stud finder to avoid hitting any load-bearing studs or major wiring. Make sure there's a dedicated 115V or 230V outlet nearby, depending on your unit's specs. Step 2. Cutting and framing the wall opening. Mark out the dimensions of your wall sleeve using a level to keep it straight. Cut through the drywall and exterior siding carefully. Frame the opening with 2x4S or 2x6S to support your AC unit. Step 3. Installing the wall sleeve. Slide the sleeve into the framed opening and secure it with screws. Seal the edges around the sleeve with weatherproof caulk or spray foam for maximum energy efficiency. Pro tip: slope the sleeve slightly downward to ensure proper drainage. Step 4. Electrical setup. Your AC unit will need a dedicated circuit, 115V or 230V. If you don't have an outlet nearby, call a licensed electrician. Never use an extension cord as it can be dangerous and void the warranty. Step 5. Sliding in the AC unit. Carefully slide the AC unit into the sleeve and secure it with the manufacturer's mounting brackets. Plug it in, follow the setup instructions, and test the cooling cycle to make sure everything's working perfectly. Not sure if you should DIY or hire a pro? Go DIY if you're comfy with cutting drywall and doing light electrical work. Hire a professional if it's a load-bearing wall or you need a clean, finished look. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy the cool comfort of your new through-the-wall AC. Thanks for watching, and happy installing.